Recently, the Canadian fighter jets have conducted close-in surveillance and made provocations against the Chinese side, citing the mandate of implementing the UN Security Council's resolution. This undermines China's national security and frontline personnel's security. China firmly opposes that. In response to this provocative, unfriendly, and unprofessional operation, the Chinese military has taken forceful, safe, and professional responses, and we also lodged stern representations with Canada through diplomatic channels. We urge Canada to take this incident seriously, to strictly discipline its frontline military personnel, and do not exercise any provocation. Otherwise, it has to bear all the